Imagine a world with no hospitals, no doctors, no medicine, only fire, stone tools, wild animals, and survival. Around 1.9 million years ago, a Homo erectus woman is about to give birth. This moment is one of the most dangerous events in prehistoric life. How did Homo erectus mothers survive childbirth? And how did they protect their newborns in such a brutal world? Let's go back in time. Homo erectus lived in open savannas, forests, and near water sources. The land was filled with predators, lions, giant hyenas, and crocodiles. These humans were taller, stronger, and smarter than earlier species. They walked fully upright. They controlled fire. They hunted in groups. But childbirth was still extremely dangerous. A Homo erectus woman carries her child for about 9 months, just like humans today. Her body is strong, but the baby's large brain and skull make birth difficult. Pain begins. She slows down. The group notices. Unlike animals that give birth alone, Homo erectus did something different. They did not leave her behind. Other members of the group stay close. They form a circle. One guards the area. Another keeps fire burning to scare predators. This is important. Homo erectus is one of the first species to show real social care. The mother is not alone. This cooperation increases survival for both mother and baby. The woman likely gives birth squatting or kneeling, using gravity to help. There are no tools, no cutting of the umbilical cord with metal. Instead, sharp stone tools or even teeth may be used after birth. Blood attracts predators. The group must work fast. The baby finally emerges, small, helpless, crying. Unlike many animals, Homo erectus babies are born very dependent. They cannot walk. They cannot defend themselves. Their brains will grow after birth, which is why they are born smaller. The mother immediately holds the baby close. Skin-to-skin contact keeps it warm. This is not instinct alone. This is early human bonding. The group does not move far for days. Fire stays lit. Weapons stay nearby. The mother rests. Others may bring food. This shared responsibility is powerful. It allows babies to survive long enough to grow, learn, and adapt. This is one reason Homo erectus spread across Africa and Asia. Childbirth forced Homo erectus to evolve cooperation. Big brains required longer childhood, more care, strong social bonds. This moment, a mother giving birth surrounded by her group, is a turning point in human history. Not strength alone, but community is what helped humans survive. Every human alive today exists because ancient mothers survived childbirth. A Homo erectus woman, under the open sky, with fire burning nearby, risked everything to bring new life into the world. This is not just prehistory. This is the beginning of us.